Hey everyone and welcome back to Wonder Tutorial. So today we are going to see how to make a subscribe button. So let's start with it. So first of all we'll import few things which we would need. So first thing is your channel logo. Yeah. And okay. So then we'll import a bell icon, the two bell icons. So these are the two ones. You just import these and what you have to, and these are two, and one more mouse icon would be provided to you all in the description, so do check out for that. Okay, and so these are the things which we need. So now let's go in sample colors. So now we'll go in sample colors and now we'll select this green. We'll just so we'll increase its size so that we are able to edit more in a more precise manner. So let's see. Okay, so we have this green screen. So now we'll go and add this white. So what we have to do is just increase the borders. Just you too. Alright, so now we'll just make a bar, like a floating type thing. So this much size would be enough. We will just make a small one, this much. So this size is okay. This size is okay. So now we'll go. Now just delete this keyframing. Delete. Adhere to the same. Delete this keyframe. Okay. And then we'll go in folders. We'll just drag out our channel logo. Going to do a bar out of it again. So now we are going to go in this effects, and we have this image mask. So just drag out here and we'll just hold for a few seconds, and then when it's done we'll just release it. So now we have this channel logo. So now you have your own channel logo out here. Now go in titles, drag out the title. So now just write in, okay, so Wonder Share, or I'll just like write tutorials. Okay, so now we'll change the font to impact. So now we'll just change this color. I think that should be in tutorial. It's okay. So now we'll just reduce its size. But just this much is enough. You'll have to do the same with your logo. You have to just write out your name, your channel name and all. Just increase its size a bit. Alright, so this much should be fine. So we are done with this. So now what we are going to do is go in media, sample colors. We'll take this red sample color. Just take it right here. Just go make a red button. Just make a red button. and then we'll go. Okay, so then we'll go and we'll have this gray color. We'll just overlap red and gray. You'll see how I'm doing. Just overlap so that the sizes should be same. Alright, so we'll have this done. So now we'll just crop this with size a bit and we'll do similarly out here. So now we'll just add out here. Now we have both things like this. We have the like and subscribe button thing like. So now what we are going to do is just apply another effect. It looks a bit ugly, so we'll just delete it because it looks really ugly. Just not apply that. So if you are experimenting, then be sure that it should look a bit in a precise manner. So this one is good, is better. So we'll go in text. So we have this text. Just crop it from here. We have this. Just write subscribe and the font to impact. So now this subscribe button is fine. Just write subscribed and then we'll type in impact. So I have this image. So now again impact. Okay, so we have this one. So now we'll just change its size. Again reduce its size a bit more. Alright, so we have this much. So it looks like this. Subscribe and subscribe. Okay, so we'll now just take this. So we'll just take it a bit up. So now we'll keep it as it was. Okay. So now we'll go and just take this mouse arrow. So now we'll just reduce its size. This much is enough. Just keep it out here, and you can just keep it out here. So now what you have to do is we'll just go in. We have this tabs, all these tabs. So we'll go in this animation. So and in customization, you just add this keyframe. And then we'll go out there and then you shoot this. Just increase, so then we'll go and go a bit right. Alright, so we have this image. So it would look like, you just click on OK. So now we have like this. So this myth is that now you have what is keyframing. So keyframing means how the from here it went here. So we just animated and customized a bit, but whereas it was like on one position only, but we just animated and now by keyframing we animated and now we have made it like a control the mouse a mouse. Yes, it looks really like a mouse cursor and it looks so precise and it works similarly like in mouse cursor. So so in keyframing we have X and Y. X moves the particular object right, left, and whereas Y moves the object up or down. So this was about keyframing, and who all are new or who all are new to Filmora X, or who must be not known to this feature, then for them this may be new or a bit hard, but it's not at all much that much hard. It's really easy. Don't ever think like we cannot do that, because it's really easy, and if we once try, it's really easy. It's really easy to do. Keyframing is really easy. When I first saw it, keyframing, I was a bit confused of what the person is doing, what are we doing and all. But slowly we get to it, and now I'm really good. I'm really good in this. So practice I have to do, or else it's really hard to do things in Filmora especially, and other different things too. So I hope that you must be not bored much. Okay, so we have this bell icon. Just put it at its right place. Okay, have this. So we'll increase this size. We'll decrease and you'll adjust from here. Okay, so just make a keyframe, add a keyframe from here, right from here. So we'll add and it'll go out here. So when you add, you have to add first where you are going to add. So this is the place you added, and till which place you want means till this time comes, it would be moving. It can be rather slow, fast, whatever. It depends on what time or how much distance you have. So now you have to just apply this out here and put up. So you have this X is for right, left, and all those options, whereas Y is for up and down. Yeah, so I hope that you all must have understood what is this keyframing and all, and it's not a really hard concept for you all. So it looks like this. So now the extra part, we'll just remove the extra part, whatever it may be. We don't want that extra part. So it looks like this. So it's really easy to make, and I hope that you all must have understood all the keyframing and all these things. And when we use this for one time, 2 times, and when the 3rd time comes, we really don't do that. So don't ever get confused with this, and be cool and do all that thing. It's a bit complicated, but yeah, you all would be able to do that thing. So we'll just adjust this and make as 4-second one. So we'll just make it as 4-second. Okay, so we have this all at 4-second, the reason behind the green screen is because we can add any background video image and can be there when this subscribe and all would be going on. There can be any background if we have this green screen. What we have to do is, like, we have to just go in composting option, click on blending mode, multiply, or maybe we have to go in a chroma key and do that. But we'll see when we are going to apply it in our video. So let's meet in the next video. But till then, bye bye, take care, and keep watching Wonder Tutorials or Wonder Filmora tutorials.